So in The Lord of the Rings, we hear Bilbo Baggins say, "I feel thin, sort of stretched, like butter scraped over too much bread." Does this describe you in the busyness that's your life? Guys, if you're overwhelmed, you're going to love today's video because I'm talking about how to organize your life in less than a single day. Step number one, you've got to commit. You've got to resolve to get this done. Now, to make that easier, 3 things I would advise. Number one, go ahead and schedule this into your calendar. Then you want to put yourself in a different environment. Whenever you're scheduling this, maybe go to your favorite coffee shop. Maybe actually look at that hotel you've been wanting to check out, rent a room. Not that you're going to spend the night there, but you're going to use it as an office. You're going to get things done. Put yourself in an environment where you can avoid distraction and then find a way to hold yourself accountable. For some of you guys, it's going to be as easy as telling your partner, hey, what you're going to do. Maybe your wife, maybe you're going to hire someone who will call you at multiple points and they are just a good friend that would do this for you to make sure that you're doing what you're doing and check in on you at the end and actually ask to see everything you've put together. All right, so you're committed, you've got skin in the game. Now let's go to step number 2, identify what is the priority, what is important. We're going to spend 30 minutes here and we're going to go into the deep Pareto principle. Remember, the things that are most important, they're going to yield you that big return on your investment. Now to identify what's important, let's go to our trusty priority matrix. Right here at the top, we've got what's important. Now you're going to have some things that are urgent, some things that are non-urgent, but still need to be addressed because they're important. What you want to be careful of is everything down here at the bottom. These are things maybe that are screaming for your attention. They're urgent, but they're non-important. Or these things that are non-important or non-urgent that you do when you're procrastinating and you feel like maybe you're getting something done. You got to be careful of these things at the lower part of the priority matrix. Now let's go to step number 3, and you're going to spend 45 minutes here. Let's focus on being productive. Gents, to organize your life effectively, you need to be productive. And I want you to go check out this course by my friend Thomas Frank. I'm linking to it down in the description over at Skillshare, the paid sponsor of today's video. This course is an amazing course. It's a master class on productivity. It's called Productivity Masterclass. Create a custom system that works. This course right here, broken into 5 sections. Each of these sections well laid out in the entire course, less than 50 minutes. Thomas has done a great job packing it full of information. It's an amazing deal when you get it with Skillshare. So go check it out, guys. I've talked about Skillshare before because I absolutely love this company. They've got over 25,000 courses where you can learn website design, you can learn photography, you can learn calligraphy. There's so many different skill sets. If you want to pick up more business skills, they've got you covered. When it comes to SEO, they've got classes by Rand Fishkin. When it comes to business, they've got Gary Vaynerchuk over there. Guys, they've got amazing teachers, and go check them out. I'm linking the Skillshare down in the description of this video with a link. If you use it, the first 500 of you get 2 months free when you use that link down in the description. Guys, go check them out. Great company, proud to support them. Step 4, and this one's really important, gentlemen. What is your North Star? What is your azimuth? What are you using to have direction in your life? Guys, you've got to identify this and lay it out for yourself. Nobody can do this for you. And this is incredibly important because there are going to be things that are going to hit you throughout life, and you need to have a direction. You need to have a purpose. You need to have an aim for where you're going, because otherwise you're going to get lost in life. And guys, the best way I know to do this is to actually imagine, what do you want people to think and to say about you at your own funeral? For me, I want to be a faithful, loving husband. I want to be a good friend who stood by others. I want to be a father who provided and not only thought about my kids, but I thought about other people's kids. I want to be someone who is remembered as being kind, as being honest. And when you've got this laid out, when you know what you stand for, what your North Star is, guys, you're going to be able to accomplish mission. Next up, gents, let's build better routines. And we're going to focus in on your morning routine, your afternoon routine, and your evening routine. Now, oh, wait a minute. You don't have a routine? Yes, you do. You've got a default habits that you're falling to. And these default habits may be bad habits. Well, guess what? You're going to map them out. Then you're going to have a routine. Even if this is something that you've never called a routine, you do have something that you're doing consistently again and again. We want to map out this routine, even if it's bad. The point here, gentlemen, is you're going to break out your routine so that you can adjust it, so you can start to optimize it. The next step, gentlemen, is all about measurement, the measurement of progress. Nothing encourages you to do something more than actually seeing that what you're doing is having an effect, a positive or even negative effect, but being able to see that correlation. So going to the gym or taking my kids to the pool, spending time exercising with them, guess what? I've got a streak going. I am not going to want to break this streak. Very simple right here. I just use a simple calendar and I know what this X stands for. Every day that I do it, I'm proud and I'm not going to break that streak. Now, when it comes to drinking water, I fill this up in the morning here in my office. I've got to drink all of this before I leave my office. This is a great way to measure that I'm drinking water. Not very high tech. And if you want high tech, guys, tons of apps out there. I'm going to link to some of my favorites down in the description. But if you want to reach financial goals, you want to reach fitness goals, guys, apps can help you out. Next up, gents, let's talk about automating and systemizing as much as you can in your life. Now, this is something I know a lot of you guys are already doing with bill pay. Many of you guys are doing when you see payments. But guys, you can do this with so many other places in your life. You're going out shopping at the store. How many of those items can you actually have delivered to your house for actually the same cost or even less if you sign up for a subscription service? So many different subscription services, guys, whether it's going to be razors, whether it's going to be skincare, tons of options out there. Look for places where you can automate, where you're doing things again and again, and you can save yourself time by recording or setting up a system that basically takes care of it for you. Now, I know this next step is going to be difficult for some of you guys, but you need to make no your default answer. You can say yes, but it needs to be a hell yeah. And the majority of the time, guys, you need to start saying no, because these people asking you to volunteer, these people asking you to do a favor, guess what? They are going to take up all your time, and then you're not going to have the opportunity when great things come along. You're just going to be too packed. You're not even going to see them. You need to free up time. You need to free up margin in your life. You don't want to become so overwhelmed by saying yes to everything. Instead, say hell yeah to the things that really matter and say no to almost everything else. All right, gentlemen, so we're on a roll here. We're going to have fun. Let's go through and ruthlessly declutter. First up, gents, let's clean off this phone. Do you need 100 apps? No. Get rid of anything you haven't opened for at least a month. Then look at all those infinity pools. I'm talking Facebook. I'm talking Instagram. I'm talking YouTube. Yes, YouTube. Get rid of it, guys. Be careful of having too many apps on your phone, things that distract you, things that just basically unorganize your life. All right, gentlemen, so let's talk about email. Let's talk about your inbox. How many messages do you have? 50, 100. 200, 1,000, but maybe actually you want to create a new email account. And guess what? Just simply forward the important things, go through maybe the first 1,000 or 2,000 messages and forward it. And then close off that other one. Log out of it. Yes, log out. If you need to go into it, you can still recover that email address. But guess what? You've got a new email that you don't have to actually unsubscribe from anything. You can be much more careful with this one, and you can only give this to people that really need to have your email. All right, so now let's talk about physical surroundings. You want to declutter your office. You want to declutter your home. How to get started? Well, first, put on some great music. And then grab a trash bag and you're going after 100 items that you can throw in there. You want to gamify this. You want to put on something that you enjoy listening to, maybe an audiobook. You're not going to get everything done probably the first run through, but guess what? You're going to get started. And again, being able to see and measure progress, this is going to keep you going. All right, gentlemen, so bringing this all together, we're well under 7 hours, including breaks. Now it's time to recommit. It's time to set up another time when we can organize, because you want to be doing this at least monthly, preferably weekly. I know people that do this every single day. It's like taking a shower. You want to, again, go through this again, because the more you do this, the easier it's going to be. And guys, this is your life. You're the one that needs to take charge and organize it. All right, gents, what'd you think? I know a lot of information. And when I talked about morning routines, evening routines, I know a lot of you guys have questions. So go check out this video right here. I talk about how to put together an amazing morning routine. I really break it out. It's a great video. Go check it out, guys. I will link to this as well down in the description. And gents, that productivity masterclass, Create a Custom System That Works For You by Thomas Frank, I'm linking to it down in the description directly, so you can go check it out over at Skillshare. Guys, I love this company. They've got over 25,000 courses. I'm linking to them down in the description. Use that link. The first 500 of you get 2 months free when you sign up for their free trial. And guys, don't forget, if you like this video, click on that like button. If you're new to Real Men Real Style, click on that subscribe button. Become part of our community, and let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this video. You know I love giving recognition to my notification squad. That's it, guys. Take care. I will see you in the next video.